In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Ubersuggest Chrome extension for 2025. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to gather valuable SEO insights seamlessly within your Chrome browser. So let's dive right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. It's important to use Chrome since we're dealing with an extension specifically designed for this browser. If you're not already using Chrome, take a moment to download and install it from the official Google website. Next, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your browser's search bar or going directly to chrome.googledal.com/webstore. Once you're there, you'll notice the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. Type Ubersuggest Chrome extension into that search bar. This step is crucial as it ensures you're installing the correct tool, specifically the Ubersuggest extension among the many available. When you've located the Ubersuggest Chrome extension in the results, click on it to open the extensions page. You'll see an overview of what the extension offers, including reviews, screenshots, and more. This section is a good place to verify details and ensure it's the tool you're aiming to install. Find the Add to Chrome button, which should be prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click it. Once you've done that, a small confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. The pop-up is there to double check that you intended to add this extension. Simply click Add Extension to confirm your decision. This step is essential since it lets Chrome know you've reviewed the extension and still want to proceed with the installation. Once confirmed, you'll see the extension icon, a distinctive U logo, appear in the Chrome toolbar in the top right area of your browser. It's your shortcut to accessing the extension's features at any time while using Chrome. Click on this new Ubersuggest icon. If prompted, you'll need to log in with your Ubersuggest account credentials. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. There's an option to sign up directly from this prompt. Setting up your account ensures you have a personalized experience and get the most out of the tool with tailored insights and data. And there you have it. With the Ubersuggest extension successfully added to your Chrome browser, you'll now enjoy enhanced SEO data as you perform searches on Google, YouTube, or Amazon. You'll find details like search volume, cost per click, and more right at your fingertips. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up the Ubersuggest Chrome extension for 2025. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more tutorials and insights into optimizing your browsing and SEO experience.